Hey everyone, it's Ed at R U Cars. We are back with this 2014 Mercedes B220. Now this one is a super rare bit of kit. It's a 220 petrol turbo, 4matic. So it's like the Audi Quattro system. You can drive it in the snow, rain, whatever you need. And it handles really well. It's a 7-speed auto. It's finished in mountain grey. I think it's got 42,000 miles. We'll see in a minute when we go inside. Incredible service history. Owned by the same family from new. And just an all-round superb car. It's got the night pack with the xenon lights. The 18-inch alloys, which are all in really great condition. With Michelin tyres all round, all with about 6mm tread. You've got your black mirrors, your privacy glass. Park assist with parking camera. Just look how clean and straight this car is. Being petrol, it is ULEZ compliant with none of the AdBlue rubbish. Really good on fuel. I think it's 184 bhp and will do high 40s, mid 50s miles per gallon, that is. It really is a rare car. Your reg number's there to carry out any checks if you wish. You've got your twin exhaust there. If you do choose to view this car, you'll be hard pushed to fault it. I think I've noticed one little scratch on it somewhere. I can't remember where. But yeah, super nice car. Minimal stone chips to the front or anything like that. Let's show you inside. It's all immaculate. Got your load cover there in the boot, folding rear seats, and a very nice sized boot. As you can see, no funny smells. It does smell really nice. You got your even got the original brochures, your lockers, and your tie kit there. Inside it's got the black, I don't think it is genuine leather with Mercs anymore, but yeah, black leatherette we'll call it. Immaculate. Isofix in the back, rear electric windows. And as I say, these seats are like brand new. Got the contrasting stitching on the doors. And the same again in the front. It's like brand new. You will not find a better 10-year-old car than this. Electric windows all round, folding mirrors, auto lights. I believe auto wipers, but I can't be certain. 42,627 miles. I'll just start the car now. So you can see there's no nasties or anything like that. All starts well. That's the first start of the day, so no chain rattle or anything like that, no messages. I was just trying to get back to the mileage for you. There you go, 42,627. All perfect. Cruise control just there. Heated seats, your front seats, your start-stop button there. Air conditioning with climatic temperature control there, look. Bit of storage down here. Holders, sliding armrest, and we have the navigation prep for the Becky unit there. Module, we haven't got the module, but it is there ready to get one. I'd advise you get one off the internet for Apple CarPlay, Android, etc. They're about 120 quid. Click in, gives you CarPlay, Bluetooth audio, all of that stuff. But we've got USB, oh, it's already got Bluetooth audio, auxiliary media interface, and CD. There's your Bluetooth, sorry. And also reverse camera. Just there, look. And yeah, that's it. Incredible car. I'm a big fan of it, in case you hadn't already guessed. Please do give us a call on 01509 267 111. We can get you booked in for a test drive. And if you need help with finances, we do work with a number of lenders and brokers to try and find you the best deal. Just give us a shout. Thanks for watching.